Hi friends, I am Rajesh Bhosle, architect and founder of Interior, complete modular solutions for your residential and commercial needs. This is a house of Mr. Sriraj Kulkarni and his wife Mrudula. They both stay with their mother here. It's a 2 BHK in Mangeshi at 12th floor. They both had a taste for vibrant colors, as you can see in living as well as their bedrooms. You can see they are dark and vibrant colors which they wanted on their walls. So to subside them, what we did is we used teak wood laminates. We used white sheets as well as grey color to make it more subtle as well as elegant. So this is our TV unit here. One more tip for the day would be this entire wall there is a lift duct in this, which duct was caused due to the lift that side. So what we did is we made it complete rectangular, this room, by just having paneling over this, placing TV here. This is storage here, which is a concealed storage. There is a concealed storage down below also. This is a concealed drawer, as you can see, and this is a concealed storage, which is a big storage behind this. This is paneling here. The luxury in Mumbai house is actually space. So we did not have space for dining table. We decided to have a center table which had a dining table sittings like this. This could act as center table as well as dining table. Again, as their choice was vibrant, you can see blue color upholstery on this sofa, and they have wanted a back painted glass with Ludo, all colored images, Ludo game implanted on their dining table cum center table. You can see the walls, even ceiling had vibrant colors. They had a belief on Vittal Bhagwan, so they had got this painted from an artist on east wall. This Vittal entire Vari picture on this wall. This is a semi-partition in living room. They wanted a partition for their temple, as well as they did not want the kitchen to be exposed completely to the visitor who comes in. So we had made semi-partitions with niches to keep their artifacts. They did not have crockery units, so we tried and gave them a crockery unit in the place they had. This is a top display area and a small storage here. We have made temple in actual teak wood. This is carved actual teak wood. We have profile acrylic cut with CNC cutting, steps as per their requirement, drawer and display unit for temple itself in profile. Kitchen, although they took in a subtle color theme, that is grey and dark beige or dark grey. Entire kitchen is a modular kitchen which was made at Interior factory and assembled here. Everything is high gloss laminate with edge bended. You can see this entire thing is a clean finish. We don't have handles over here. Handles are concealed handles in this. It's a different kind of profile which conceals the handles. You don't require handles because of these profiles. Here we have used G sections. In G sections, now you can see this is masala pulao with soft close. Similarly, you have cutlery trolleys with soft close. These are two plain baskets. We also have dustbin bins here. Overhead is without glass. They just wanted one display area which we created above chimney, as we had got this area. There is no duct. This is not a ductable chimney. This is a plain chimney. So this we utilize this above area for their display purpose with lighting. This is a service platform. The width of the platform was small, so we could not make trolleys in this. There were shutters which are provided. They have the storage in these shutters. Display and dead storage, because they require a lot of storage. Again, handleless in single color finish, which gives an elegant look. Only their kitchen is not very vibrant. Generally you find clients choose vibrant colors in kitchen and subtle colors in living, but they had a different choice. They had used very vibrant colors in living and bedroom and subtle colors in kitchen. You can see this is an unit we made for their microwave that is protruding out because the depth is more. Again, the space above microwave is used for display with profile shutters. We are into the master bedroom of Mr. Kulkarni. Again, you can see the choice of color is aquamarine blue. To make that aquamarine blue more subtle, we used figured walnut laminate, and to complement that figured walnut, we took white CNC acrylic. We inlaid in this on same surface. This is a sliding wardrobe, as you can see. This is a smooth sliding, soft close, as you can see here. This sofa cum bed created space in their bedroom, which leads to the terrace. This is a sofa cum bed. You can keep bed sheet here, and this becomes complete bed. To avoid injuries in edge, we use this edge bending here. Again, white figured oak laminate with inlay of CNC inlay of acrylic. This is the dressing table which they required, entire mirror with conceal handle, profile handles. This is a conceal profile handle which has been used. Light above it. Drawer for the lady. To create movement that is from the door, entire passage, we wanted this area to be free, and from here you can directly go to their terrace, which has a very magnificent view of creek of Thana Creek, which you can see from this view. This flat, mind you, is on 12th floor. Again, this is their master bedroom, that is their parents' bedroom. Here also they have used blue colors. They are fascinated with dark colors, so blue colors. Moreover, developer had given few blue grey color kind of flooring, which we matched with this color. Again, to make the entire thing subtle, we use jute laminate with white laminate, white decorated embroidered laminate with again T-putty, that is profile T-putty for design. We made an abstract design. That's why this wardrobe is such a use. We did not cut this into dead storage or things like that, because you can see entire wardrobe at a time. This is more better than having openable shutters because they take away the space. This is the frame which we made to align the wall with the wardrobe. Both these sliding shutters are lockable. We made a fixed bed here with storage beneath and a plain headboard in laminate, so that the bed space is more. Moreover, you can see the bed is cantilevered by about 10 foot or so. The support is approximately 16 inch inside the entire bed, so that your foot movement is clear. You can walk till here. You can use this much space, as your foot can go below this bed, and cleaning is also easy. They had a niche below the sill level of window, so we closed this sill in synchronization with the design with wardrobe. These all are shutters here which made on site, so that they can store their bed storage below the sink.